Hey everyone, I am Ashwini Malji. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an exciting world of three-letter blending. We will learn how to blend the sounds together and make the reading even more fun. First, let's talk about what is blending. Blending is when we take different sounds and put them together to make a new word. Let's sound out these three letters. K, A, T. Cat. When we read, we don't sound out each letter separately. Instead, we blend them to make a new words. So let's start with the individual letters and sounds. Then we blend them to form the words. Let's start with the A sound. K, at, cat. M, at, mat. Now with the E sound. P, an, pen. M, an, men. For the I sound. K-ed, kid. P-ed, pit. For the O sound. K-ot, cot. P-ot, pot. For the U sound. K-ub, cup. T-ub, tub.